Hello students, welcome to online class. Students, how are you? Yes, I am also fine. Students, please eat healthy food and keep your body become healthy during the holidays. Okay, students? Okay, every class, before we start the class, we do one clapping exercise. You already know them, yes? So, are you ready? Yes, I am also ready. Eyes on me. Eyes on me. Students say one, two, eyes on you. Yes, very good. Students, we already learned in previous class unit 4 topic. Yes, water and atmosphere and water cycle. What is meant by water cycle? Yes. So you already know the concept water and atmosphere. Water means the liquid form of water and atmosphere means the blanket of air are covered with earth surface. Yes, that means atmosphere. Then today topic, what's the aim of today? Is that water wastage. Okay, how we waste water? How we waste water? So what are the types of water? Two types of water. You already know that. Yes. What are the two types of water? Yes, sea water and fresh water. Sea water and fresh water. There are two types of water, sea water and fresh water. Okay, which type of water is most of the water is covered in the earth's surface? Yes, the sea water are available or covered with most of the surface on the earth. Okay, but it is not unfit for human use. Yes, you already know that. So what is meant by sea water? Yes, very good. The water that contains with salt is called seawater. The amount of salt mixed up with the fresh water is called, it means seawater. So what is meant by fresh water? What is meant by fresh water? So this is a fresh water is available on different kinds of water bodies. Yes, river, ponds, lakes, streams. Okay, there are different kinds of water bodies are available only in usable fresh water. Okay, so there is a difference between sea water and fresh water. Yes, so today class we learn about water wastage. So what is mean by water wastage? Students, what is mean by water wastage? You already know that, yes? So, water wastage means when we use more water we need. More water we need. When we use more water that we need for our work. That we need for our work. It means water wastage. Okay, students, when we use more water than we need for our work, okay, it is called water wastage. We use more amount of water for your work. Okay, when we use more water than we need for our work. Okay, that is the water wastage. Okay, students, can you think it? I ask some questions. You tell me the answer. Okay, students. So, how many of you have experienced a time when there is no water at home to use and then there is no water in our school? Again, how many of you have experienced a time when there is no water at home to use and no water in school? Raise your hands. Yes, children, our school is the best school. You already know that, yes? The water facility is good in our school. And other facility also best. Yes? So, the water facility is good for our school and sometimes there is no water available in our home. Why? Yes, it's the summer season. There is no water, more water is available on earth. Okay, so the water shortage is automatically coming in summer season. Yes, you already know that. So, how we people waste water? How did people waste their water? People எப்படி water waste பண்றாங்க? Yes, by leaving the tap open. Okay, by leaving the tap open in the bathroom and then using a pipe to clean the courtyard, watering plants in the afternoon time. Okay, we have watering plants in the morning or evening time. Instead of some people watering plants in afternoon time. Okay, that is one of the water wastage way. So some of the answers is accepted. Some second question. Do you also see people wasting water in similar ways? Do you also see people wasting water in some similar ways? Yes. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, some people waste water in some time. Yes. So, how we waste water, students? How we waste water? Yes, we use more amount of water that we need for our work. Okay, நம்மளோட ஒர்க்குக்கு தேவையான அளவு நீர் பயன்படுத்தாம ஏன்னா அதிக அளவு amount of water யூஸ் பண்றோம். ஓகேவா? So that means the waste water. So but only the little fresh water is available on earth. Okay, in the earth surface only there are little amount of okay 3 by 4 only 3 parts of the earth's surface are covered with salt water or sea water. Then this remaining part is fresh water or locked in polar region, locked in ice forms in the polar region. Yes, ice form in the polar region. Remaining only 1% of fresh water available in ponds, rivers, lakes and streams. Okay, so water is one of the natural resource we need to survive for our life. So it's an important resource. So water is one of the natural resource, not a man-made resource. So please save the water. Don't waste the water as a fact. Yes. So what is the specialty of water, students? What is the special things of water? Yes, very good. The water can change from 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, gas. Okay, solid, liquid and gas. So the solid form of water is called ice. The liquid form of water is called water. The gaseous form of water is water vapor. Okay, so water can change 3 states of matter. Okay, students. So now we will see the concept water wastage. Okay, some of the similar ways you can say that water, you can avoid the water wastage. Look at that slide. See the slide. So saving water is very important fact in our world. So please save water, don't waste the water. So see the picture. So children are playing in the picture. So it can so many amount of water is wasted. Yes, wasted. So please save water, don't play the like the children in the water. Okay, so this is also leaking tap is one of the water wastage way. And then leaking taps. Yes, you can always leaking the tap while we not in use in any other, always close the tap. Okay, so some of the way to avoid the water wastage. Okay, close the tap as soon as the bucket is full. Okay, you always close the tap, otherwise when not in use. Okay, close the tap as soon as the bucket is full. Then use a bucket only. Students, learn use a bucket and mug for that. Avoid using shower. Avoid using shower. Okay, that is the very important point. Using the shower. Using the shower, but avoid it. Okay. Then avoid washing your vehicle with a hose pipe. Okay, using a hose pipe. Okay, instead of a hose pipe, using a bucket only. Okay, children, see the slide. Avoid washing your vehicle with your hose pipe. Then keep the tap closed while brushing the teeth. Okay, keeping the tap open. You can avoid it. Okay, while brushing the teeth, keep the tap closed only. Okay, so not opening it. Keep the tap closed while brushing the teeth. Then don't wash fruits and vegetables under the running tap. Don't wash fruits and vegetables under the running tap. Use a bowl of water instead. Okay, only use a bowl of water instead of running tap. Okay. Then use the water sprinkler for watering the plants. Use the water sprinkler for watering the plants. Then turn the tap off when you brush your teeth. Okay, this is a very important. Some children are like this. Turn the tap off when you brush your teeth. Okay, it saves 18 liters of water per day. So please save it. And have a shower bath instead of a bath. It saves 45 liters amount of water per day. So using a bucket only during the bath. Okay. Okay, children. Now I ask some of the question. You tell me the answer. Okay. Okay, children. Your first question. How do some of us waste water while brushing teeth and taking a bath? How do some of us waste water while brushing teeth and taking a bath? Yes? Yes. They leave the tap open. The tap is always open. Some of the brushing the teeth. So that's one of the greater wastage way. Yes? So please avoid it. What is the second question? How do some of us waste water in the kitchen? Yes? You have seen in the kitchen in your home. How do some of us waste water in the kitchen? Yes, very good. Leaving the tap open while washing utensils and fruits and vegetables. Yes, washing utensils and fruits and vegetables. The tap is always open like this. This is not way. Please avoid it. Okay. Then third question. How can watering plants cause wastage of water? How can watering plants cause wastage of water? Yes, very good. When people use water pipe instead of using a watering can. Okay. When people use water pipe instead of using a watering can. Okay. Fourth question. How is water wasted when we have leaking taps? How is wasted water when we have leaking taps? Yes, very good. When a broken water pipe is not maintained in a timely manner, lots of water goes waste. Yes. So your water pipe is broken down, broken or any repair in your tap, please correct it. Okay. Please maintain in at a timely manner. A lot of water goes waste. Fifth question: why should we use water carefully? This is a very important question. Why should we use water carefully? Yes, very good. We use water carefully because only less of fresh water are available on earth. Yes, you already know that. If we do not use it carefully, we will have a water shortage. We will suffer water shortage. So, please save the water. Otherwise, we face the water shortage for our world. Okay. So, please save the water. So, some of the ways, please, students. So, water wastage is one of the harmful effect in our life. Okay, so please save water. Why should we save the water? So water is one of the natural resources. It's not a man-made resources. So please save water. Okay. So the first way is using the shower. Please avoid it. And using a hose can also avoid it. Keeping the tap open, it is also avoid. Okay, we can avoid this waste. We can automatically save the water. Yes, so the water is very very important resources to survive on human or living beings. Okay, so please save it the water. Okay, students, some of the ways you can save the water. Water wastage is using the shower instead of a bucket to bath. Yes, students, now you can take your textbook and turn the page number 45. Take your textbook, page number 45. Turn it quickly. I give you a counting. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, students. Page number 45 in your textbook. Read the sum of the ways in which we waste water. Okay. First one, using the shower instead of a bucket to bath. So please use a bucket instead of a shower tub. Okay. Second one, watering plants using a water pipe rather than a bucket or watering can. Okay. Instead of a water pipe, use a watering can. Okay. Keep the tap open while brushing our teeth, bathing, washing hands. Yes. So we always keep the tap open while brushing our teeth. It's not a correct way. So close the tap while brushing our teeth or bathing. Okay. Then fourth one, not maintaining broken water pipelines in a timely manner. Okay. So your pipeline is totally repaired or broken. Suddenly you can maintain at a correct time. Okay. Fifth one, playing with water and wasting it. So you always play with water. It's not a correct way. Okay. So please save water. Okay, students. This is today's concept for today's class. Now we go to the assessment part. Students, please take your worksheet book. Take your worksheet book and page number 64. Take your worksheet book, page number 64, worksheet number 7. Saving water. Okay, children, saving water. So now we go to the assessment part. Saving water. Okay, page number 64. First question, tick the correct way of using water in the box. Tick the correct way of using water in the box. Okay, totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Totally 6 pictures in your worksheet book. You observe the picture carefully and answering the questions. Okay, so first one, question number A. What do you see in this picture? Yes, washing vehicles with hose pipe. Okay, that's one of the washing a car by using a water pipe. Okay, so your question, tick the correct way of using water in the box. Second one, using a bucket to wash a car. What do you see in the second picture? Using a bucket to wash a car. Third one, reducing the flow of water when you open the tap. Reducing the flow of water when you open the tap. Fourth one, not maintaining the leaking water taps. Not maintaining the leaking water taps. Fifth one, filling the glass with only as much water as you want to drink. Fifth one, filling the glass with only as much water as you want to drink. Sixth one, watering the plant with a water pipe. Watering the plant with a water pipe. Okay, children, we observe in the 6 pictures. Yes, now we go to the answer part. See that? So, which was the correct way of using water? Yes, see the picture B. You can tick it. using a bucket to wash your car. Question number A is the wrong answer. So B is the correct one. Tick it. So and C1 is also correct answer. Yes. Reduce the flow of water when you open the tap. Reducing the flow of water when you open the tap. Third one. Question number E. Picture is correct answer. Tick it. Filling the glass with only as much water as you want to drink. Question number B, C and E is the correct answer, correct way of using water. You already know that, yes? So please tick it. Students, complete your worksheet. Complete your worksheet. Question number B, using your bucket to wash your car. Tick it. Reduce the flow of water when you open the tap. Third one, filling the glass with only as much water as you want to drink. Okay. So students, you can use limited amount of water in each and every one. Okay. So please save water. So fresh water is only available on earth. There is a less amount of water only present in it. So please save water. So water is one of the natural resource, not a man-made resource. So you can avoid the wasted water. Okay, water wastage is avoided totally. Otherwise, we can suffer with water shortage. Okay, students. So now today class, did you understand the concept today class, students? Okay. Now please note here today's homework. First question. What is mean by water shortage? What is mean by water shortage? Then why should we save water? Why should we save water? Students, monitor today's homework and answer the questions and send your answer in your class teacher. Okay? Students, write it fast. I give you a 10 counting. Okay? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay children, answering the following questions, you can send it to your WhatsApp group in your class teacher. Okay children, okay. Once again, did you understand the today's concept? Did you understand the today's concepts children? So what's the aim of today? Unit 4 water and atmosphere. Once again see the slide. So saving water is one of the important fact. So you can playing with water. Yes, always playing with water, avoid it. Okay. Then second one, close the tap. Is main thing. Yes. Third one, close the repairing tap or broken taps. Fourth one, close the tap as soon as the bucket is full. And use a bucket and mug for bath. Avoid using shower. Avoid using vehicles or avoid washing your vehicle with a hose pipe. Okay, avoid washing your vehicle with a hose pipe. Only use a bucket of water. Okay. Keep the tap closed while brushing the teeth. Then don't wash fruits and vegetables under the running tap. Use a bowl of water instead. Using the water sprinkler for watering the plants. So there are so many ways you can save the water. Please keep the way. Okay. Okay children. Did you understand the today concept? Today class, are you interested to listen? Yes, very good. Today class is over. You can complete your homework and finish and send it to your class teacher. Okay, students, thank you. Okay, students, thank you.